Thinking about hosting your website with DreamHost? In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know, the good, the limitations, and whether it's worth your money in 2025. I provide a link in the description below to DreamHost, where you get a DreamHost discount. You get anywhere from 63% off up to 72% off over DreamHost's monthly pricing, plus you get a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome DreamHost discount. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the link in the description to check out DreamHost. Let's dive in. DreamHost is one of the oldest web hosting companies out there, founded in 1997 and officially recommended by WordPress.org. They host over 1.5 million websites and are known for their strong focus on performance, simplicity, and transparency. Let's start with pricing. DreamHost offers several hosting options depending on your needs. Shared hosting, great for beginners and small websites. The starter plans run as low as $259 a month, comes with one website. The unlimited plan runs as low as $295 a month, comes with unlimited websites. DreamHost Managed WordPress starts at $1695 a month, optimized for WordPress with built-in caching, backups, and performance tools. VPS Hosting starts at $10 a month. Dedicated hosting starts at $165 a month. Cloud hosting, pay-as-you-go, good for developers. DreamHost hosting services also include a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now let's talk about what you actually get with DreamHost. Free domain with annual plans, SSL certificate included, free daily backups, unlimited bandwidth and storage on most plans, built-in website builder, one-click WordPress install, SSD storage for fast loading, built-in traffic analytics, global data centers, and automated WordPress updates. How fast and reliable is DreamHost? DreamHost uses SSD storage, HTTP2, and a custom caching system. Their page load speeds are competitive. I tested a fully functioning website and it loaded on average 930 milliseconds with basic optimization. They promise 100% uptime. DreamHost delivers dependable speed and uptime that's perfect for most personal, business, and blog websites. Unlike some other hosts, DreamHost doesn't use cPanel. Instead, they use their custom dashboard, clean modern interface, easier for beginners, but slightly different for those used to cPanel. You can manage your WordPress, domains, emails, and billing all from one simple place. Let's talk support, because when something goes wrong, you want fast help, right? DreamHost support is available 24/7 through submitting a ticket and live chat. You can connect with their technical support team via live chat in under 60 seconds. And if you're using email, you usually get a reply in less than an hour. They also have a huge knowledge base, active community forums, and step-by-step tutorials. And the numbers back it up. 73% of issues are resolved on the first contact, which is 12% better than most other hosting providers. They also boast an impressive 91% customer satisfaction rate, thanks to their award-winning, human-first support team that actually listens and helps, not just reads from a script. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you're in good hands if you ever need help. Here are the biggest advantages of using DreamHost: 30-day money-back guarantee, official WordPress recommendation, free daily backups, SSD storage on all plans, transparent pricing, no tricks at checkout, free privacy protection for domains, excellent for developers, SSH access, Git, cron jobs, etc. But here are some downsides to consider. No traditional cPanel. Live chat is not available 24/7. Phone support costs extra. No free email on the cheapest shared plan. So who should use DreamHost? Beginners who want a simple, no-nonsense hosting option. WordPress users who want automatic updates, backups, and built-in security. Bloggers, small businesses, and portfolio sites looking for reliable, affordable hosting. Agencies and developers who need VPS or cloud hosting with full control and flexibility. E-commerce and online store owners running low to moderate traffic sites, especially on WooCommerce, who want a secure, fast platform or upgrade to DreamPress for better performance. Mid-size and even larger businesses who want transparency, scalability, and strong WordPress support without overpriced enterprise plans. Is it worth it? In my opinion, DreamHost is absolutely worth considering if you value simplicity, reliability, and solid WordPress performance without breaking the bank. DreamHost stands out where it really counts, with consistent performance, strong security, and clear, transparent pricing that most users truly appreciate. If you're ready to try DreamHost, I've dropped a link in the description so you can save money on your DreamHost web hosting purchase. It helps support the channel and you get to save money too. And if you have questions or personal experiences with DreamHost, drop them in the comments. I'll respond to everyone. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more web hosting reviews. Hit the bell to stay notified. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.